My name is David Cooke. I'm a Professor of Geology at the University of Tasmania and the Director of Codes, and my research team and I over the past couple of decades have been working with the minerals industry to help develop new geochemical techniques that aid in the discovery of buried ore deposits. I decided to be a scientist at the age of 5. I was inspired in the 1960s by the Apollo mission. NASA's missions in the 70s and 80s with Viking and Voyager out to the outer planets. I became enamoured with planetary geology. I was absolutely fascinated by the diversity of the planets. Quite a famous professor, Alan White at La Trobe University, called me over during open day and said, "Hey, why don't you consider geology?" And once I got into geology, I realised it brought together my love of astronomy and chemistry in quite a bizarre way, and it also opened up the world as my office. With an ever-growing global population, there's a critical need for resources that actually allow us to build the things that we need for a functioning society. Metals are an important part of society's growth, and essential metals like copper are critical elements that we use in wiring, in antibacterial treatments, many uses. So helping society discover new resources of copper and other metals is what's really driving our research program. And as an added bonus of doing this work, well, we are working across the world and we're getting to experience amazing cultures and work with wonderful people from all of the populated continents on the planet. So that's just an added bonus to the joy of being a geologist and being able to be involved in geologic research and trying to tackle some of these issues that are so relevant to society. I feel truly honoured to be given this prestigious award. Haddon King was a giant of the exploration industry in his day, and it's quite humbling to be considered worthy of a medal named in his honour.